Good morning. It's Tuesday, 4th June 2024. This is the day of reckoning, which all of us are waiting because this is the day when the election results for the Lok Sabha will be announced. The counting is starting now. It may go on late till the night before we really know who is really winning, unless it is a wave election as the exit polls talk about. Now, experienced people have seen that there is, and have seen and believed and reported that there is no wave as such. Now, typically, a wave election will produce a result of 350 plus. Now, 350, 375. If you look at the exit polls, all of them talk of close to 400. Average is about 370. Now, if it is 370 for the ruling party, then there should have been a wave. So when can there be a wave without us understanding it is when there is a silent wave. So are we seeing a silent wave where everybody is in favor of the ruling party but are unwilling to express it in the open? Now that is very unusual because the ruling party has been ruling for the past 10 years and you have a very strong leader in Mr. Narendra Modi. So this is a very, very interesting day and also the most interesting election. I have been looking at elections closely since 1977. So 1977, 1980, 84, 89, 91, 96, 98, 99, 2004, 2009, 14, 19, and today 24. I have not seen any election like this in terms of, nobody seems to know who is going to win. And everybody is talking about a wave. So if there is a wave, it should have been very easy for the general populace to talk about that these guys will win hands down. But that seems to not be the case. So whatever it is, today will tell us where this election and where the country will go after these elections. So now let's look at the markets. Yesterday, predictably, after the exit polls, the market opened up strongly. But what was interesting was, excepting for Bank Nifty, all the highs were made at the opening 15 minutes. And then the market struggled and then stayed in a range. Finally, the PSC index moved up as well as the Nifty moved up, but it didn't cross the day's highs. Now, today, one should again look at the day's high and day's low and then take a call. When I say days high and days low, it is something similar to what I said yesterday, the first hour high and the first hour low. Today will certainly be more volatile than yesterday simply because the results will keep trickling in as the day goes by. We'll have the first of the results probably trend by around 11 o'clock. So you will see a lot of speculation before that and after that too. So what should one do as a trader? I, as a trader, will wait, will look at rather not trade at all if possible. Otherwise, if I'm going to trade, I'm going to look at the first hour high and first hour low. Whichever side it breaks significantly, I'm not talking of just going up for a few points and then again reversing. And if it stays for about 20 minutes, then I will decide whether I should take a position either long or short based on the Lakshman Rekha. So that is my strategy. And what stocks may be volatile will obviously be the Modi stocks, which are the PSUs, PSEs, Adani, and Ambani. Incidentally, Reliance did a rear guard action yesterday, and it really did very well. On the ADRs, both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank have done well, so they should be in the focus today. Yesterday in the US, some funny things happened where Berkshire Hathaway's share fell down 98% because of a glitch. There are more than 100 stocks which were caught in the glitch where, there were no bids or no offers as the case may be. So the US markets, Dow Jones closed 115 points down, Standard & Poor was about 5 points up, and the Nasdaq was strong because of NVIDIA. NVIDIA again is lighting the fire today with the futures up in Nasdaq because they are talking of some new chips coming into in 2026. So NVIDIA will continue to be the story on which the Nasdaq revolves. Yesterday, Mexican president got elected and the stock market crashed. So this is one election where everybody was looking at, and then the currency crashed, the stock market crashed. Today, we should look at our currency and to understand where the money flow is. Yesterday, the FIIs and DIIs together bought about 8,800 crores. There is a lot of jubilation in the street about the number. But the question we should ask is, who sold that 8,800 crores to these institutions? Who are these big guys? Which is this third force which does this selling to such an extent that the prices do not go above the morning highs? So that is a thought for the day. Now, today you will see, incidentally, yesterday the micro cap index was the worst performing, though it was in the positive. So it means the retail investors, somebody is selling it to the retail punters. The micro cap index consists of all the retail punters having a big stake rather than the institutions. So that is something interesting which I will be watching today. And today, of course, the results. And so I would say at this point of time, if you look at any other asset class, it is meaningless because we will have to look at our own equity markets, because that will be more exciting than gold, silver, which have done nothing. DXY has done nothing. Oil is the only commodity which is coming down because there is an OPEC meeting somewhere in this week. So all said and done, it will be an exciting day, a volatile day for the entire market. So whatever you do, it will be a dangerous market in more ways than one. Whatever you do, I hope you are successful. Thank you for joining. It's Vijay here. I am not a registered SEBI advisor. If you like this kind of commentary, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.